Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harivaran. In this video, Excel number series 10 sum values in Excel. We are going to sum the values using shortcut. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. You can see my screen here, and here is 5 months of expenses of the person. So here is 2 person, Lily and David, and we want the sum of this 5 months. So how can we do it? We will do it here by 2 ways. First of all, you can see Lily, and we'll go to a total, and here we will press equal to, and then we will select this cell and we will write plus, again this cell, plus again this cell, plus again this cell, plus again this cell, plus. This is one way. So this is not mainly used in while working in Excel, and if I drag this, I will get the answer. So this is one way, and another way is we're using formula, and that is equal to sum, and we'll press here tab, and it will open parenthesis, and we select the range, which range we want to sum, and that's it. You can see here B2 to F2. This is B2 and F2 is this. We will select all the range which are going to be shown, and we will close it by bracket and hit enter. We will get the same answer. This is shortcut method, and we will drag this, and you can see the amount is correct. So using this shortcut method by using sum, we can direct press alt and plus. We will see in here, press alt plus, we will come into this cell and press alt plus, this plus or equal to sign, which we can see in keyboard, alt plus, and boom, you can see sum, and this range is automatic selected. So this is shortcut to sum the values. So I will go once again, alt plus and hit enter. Yes, and I will copy it, or I'll drag this all, and you can see my all cells are fitted with this formula sum, and this form shortcut is alt and plus. This is the formula shortcut. You can use this in any cells, and you can see the overall. Now we want this sum and this sum, and we'll write here which sum we want, this or this. We can select this or this and hit enter, and in this way you can select and sum the values of any cells. So this is a short video. I hope this helps you. Use this alt plus in keyboard, and you will get the sum automatic formula in cell. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and this is a basic Excel series which you can watch from video 1. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.